Yes, here is where to apply what you learned, what I taught you in the class during the theory. Remember, I told you some said driving is word and opposite. Some said driving is common sense. But here, let's make of use common sense now. You have seen this stick, it stands like a pillar. Are you getting it? C, you have seen it. E stand for good. When you evaluate, you execute. Are you getting it? So that is just what driving is all about. I said driving is the convert activities that contain or involved in the use of body sense of organs. So now you have to apply this common sense now. Make sure that you do not hit this as a pillar. Are you getting it? So as you are seeing it, see it first, then E there, evaluate, and the second E, execute. Good, good, good. Don't get to the place before taking a decision. No, you have to go back. You have to calculate ahead. Are you getting it? Don't just calculate, not until when you get there before you start calculating. Now, you need to go back because there's something that your mirror will be showing you. There's something as you are coming, there's something that you'll be seeing ahead. It will get a stage that you'll not be seeing it again. It's what you have calculated ahead before getting there. That is what you will use to maneuver. Are you getting it? So now, calculate ahead because a time shall come that you will not see that object that you are seeing. Yes, I move. Keep coming, keep coming. Good. So, do you understand? You're supposed to know that, okay, as you are driving, as you are going like this, there's something that you will see, but it will get a stage, you will not see it again. It's also the same thing like mirror when you are reversing. When you are doing your reversing, there's something that your mirror will be showing you. Are you getting it? It will get to a stage, your mirror will not be showing that thing again. Are you getting it? Because when you are coming close to the object, it will not be showing to you again. So is what you have seen before you get to that position or that spot. That is what you will use to know how to maneuver. To know, because remember I said yes. Remember what I told you. I said when you are driving, you use your eyes. Are you getting it? We use eyes to see. Remember, this is to tell you how important eyes is while driving. So you have to do what? You have to plan ahead. Immediately you have seen it, that S stands for C. Then the other E stands for evaluate. Then the second E stands for execute. When you see it, you plan to execute and execute for good. Safety first. Safety first make you to safe journey. Thank you.